Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification button so you do not miss any of my video. So it's another day to be creative. Like, think of anything creative and think about me. Yes, tasty gourmet. Okay, so today I'll be making potato pizza. Yes, if you have Irish potato at home with some few ingredients in the kitchen, you can make this and it tastes better than pizza. So I'm going to grate my potato and I'll be adding my grated potato into this bowl of cold water, and I will set that aside while I prep other ingredients. So this is my carrot. I'm going to grate my carrots. Now after grating, I'm going to chop my onion. Now I also chop my habanero pepper. Then in my pan I'll add little oil. And then I'll add my onion. So I'm going to saute my onion till it's very translucent. Okay, but I wasn't patient enough. Okay. Now at this point I'll add in my grated carrot. Then I'll just stir and continue frying. So I added my pepper at this point, and I'll just continue frying. Then I'll be adding my seasoning cube, garlic powder and salt. So all the ingredients I use will be dropped in the description box below. Now at this point I added my broccoli, so I'll just continue frying this. So you can also call this vegetable pizza. Yeah. I know, right? Okay, so at this point the vegetable is ready. Okay, so I want to use this medium to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always engaging in my video. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, for the new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. Okay, so I strain my potato and then I'll set that aside. Then in another bowl I'll add my flour. Yeah, I used wheat flour. Then I'll add in milk. Now at this point, if you want to add egg, you can crack in an egg. Yes, but that's optional and I didn't use it. So I added salt, I added paprika powder. I'll just give that a quick mix to properly combine. Then I'll add in my veggies to my potato, my grated potato, and I'll pour in the flour mixture. I'll mix together with my spatula to properly combine. Then in my already lined baking tray, if you want to grease your parchment paper, you can just spray with a spray bottle, just spray on the parchment paper so your potato pizza can come out easily. But me, I don't want any extra calorie to this, so I didn't add it. So I was ready for anything. I was ready for the end result. So I'll just bake this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and I'll bring this out, and this is what it's looking like. Now at this point I'm going to add my cheese. Now you can use any cheese of your choice for this. Now I'm going to pop this into the oven for another 15 minutes. So in total about 35 to 40 minutes and our potato pizza is ready. Now my pizza cutter, I'm going to cut in. Yeah. this tasted so delicious. It came out so good. This is me being creative. I was trying to, make something, other than pizza, and it came out so good. I was a bit skeptical about this particular recipe, but it was worth it. Thank you.